Let me ask you a quick question. Yesterday, did you watch a movie? Did you talk to a friend? Maybe you drank coffee in the morning or walked to school or work.
And here's the interesting part. When you answered those questions in your mind, you probably used one very important part of English grammar without even thinking about it.
Exactly. You were talking about something that already happened.
Which means you were using the past simple tense.
So today, we're going to show you how to use it the easy way.
And trust us, by the end of this episode, talking about the past in English will feel much more natural.
Introduction.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English by Mind Training, the place where we help you speak English more naturally and more confidently.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. We're really happy that you're here today.
Today's topic is something every English learner needs, the past simple tense.
Yes, if you want to tell stories, talk about yesterday, describe your weekend, or share something that happened before, you need this tense.
And don't worry, we're not going to make this feel like a boring grammar class.
Exactly. Think of this like a relaxed conversation where we explain everything step by step.
What is the past simple tense?
All right, Sarah, let's start with the most basic question.
What exactly is the past simple tense?
Great question. The past simple tense is used to talk about actions that started and finished in the past.
In other words, something happened before now and it's already finished.
For example, I watched a movie yesterday. She visited her friend last week. We ate dinner at 7 p.m.
All of those actions are complete. They already happened.
Exactly. They started in the past and they ended in the past.
When do we use past simple?
Now, let's talk about when we use it.
We usually use past simple with time expressions.
For example, yesterday, last night, last week, last year, 2 days ago, in 2020.
Let's hear a few real-life examples.
Sure. I went to a coffee shop yesterday. We watched a basketball game last night. She called her friend 2 hours ago.
And those are exactly the kinds of sentences Americans use every day.
Structure of past simple. Affirmative. Now let's talk about the structure.
In positive sentences, we usually follow this pattern: subject plus past verb.
That's it. Very simple. Let's look at some examples.
I worked yesterday. She studied last night. They played basketball.
Notice something interesting? The verb usually ends in ed.
Those are called regular verbs.
Regular verbs follow a simple rule. To make them past tense, we usually add ed. Examples: work, worked, play, played, watch, watched, call, called.
Let's imagine a small, everyday conversation. Hey, Sarah, what did you do yesterday?
Oh, yesterday I worked, then I watched a show, and later I called a friend.
Perfect example of past simple.
Irregular verbs. Now here comes the part that sometimes scares learners.
Irregular verbs.
Yes, these verbs don't follow the ed rule. For example, go, went, eat, ate, see, saw, buy, bought, take, took.
So instead of saying goed, we say went.
Exactly. Let's use some real-life examples.
I went to the grocery store yesterday. She ate pizza for dinner. We saw a great movie last night.
And the best way to learn irregular verbs is simply practice and exposure.
Negative sentences.
All right, now let's talk about negative sentences.
To make a negative sentence in past simple, we use did not plus base verb.
Or the short form, didn't plus base verb.
Examples: I did not go to the gym yesterday. She didn't watch the movie. We didn't finish the project.
Notice something important. After didn't, the verb goes back to the base form, not didn't went. Correct, didn't go.
Questions in past simple.
Now let's talk about questions.
For questions, we start with did. Structure: did plus subject plus base verb.
Examples: did you watch the game? Did she call you? Did they finish the project?
Let's do a quick mini conversation. Alex, did you drink coffee this morning?
Yes, I did. I drank a big cup of coffee.
Did you go to work early?
No, I didn't. I arrived around 9.
Perfect past simple conversation.
Real-life examples from American life. Let's make this even more practical. Imagine a conversation between friends on Monday morning.
Friend 1. Hey, what did you do this weekend? Friend 2. I visited my parents and watched the movie. Friend 1. Nice. I went hiking and tried a new restaurant.
And that's exactly how people talk in the United States. Or imagine coworkers talking at the office.
Hey, Sarah, did you watch the game last night?
Yes, I did. My team won.
Lucky you. I missed it because I worked late.
Story example. Here's a short story using past simple. Yesterday, I woke up early, made coffee, and walked to a small cafe near my apartment. I ordered a latte and read a book for an hour. Later, I met a friend, and we talked about work and life.
Notice how every action happened in the past. Woke up, made, walked, ordered, read, met, talked.
That's past simple working perfectly.
Quick recap. All right, let's quickly review what we learned today.
Number 1, the past simple tense talks about actions that started and finished in the past.
Number 2, we often use it with time expressions like yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago.
Number 3, regular verbs usually add ed. Example, work, worked.
Number 4, irregular verbs change completely. For example, go, went.
Number 5, negative sentences use didn't plus base verb.
And number 6, questions start with did.
Motivation for learners.
If you want to sound more natural in English, learning past simple is incredibly important.
Because it allows you to tell stories, describe experiences, and connect with people.
And remember, fluency doesn't come from memorizing rules.
It comes from practice.
Try this today. Think about your day yesterday and describe it in English. For example, I woke up at 7. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I watched TV at night.
The more you do this, the more natural English will feel.
Closing.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today here at English by Mind Training.
We hope this episode helped you understand the past simple tense in a clear and simple way.
Remember, English becomes easier when you practice a little every day.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step towards improvement.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like the video.
Subscribe to the channel for more lessons that help you speak English naturally.
And tell us in the comments, what did you do yesterday?
Use the past simple. We'd love to read your sentences.
Until next time, keep learning
Keep practicing.
and keep training your mind with English by Mind Training.